Hi loves! In today's video, I'm going to be showing you some all-natural home remedies scientifically proven to work that will help you grow super long hair, super fast, as well as gain thicker hair, healthy hair, strong hair, almost overnight. So make sure you watch the whole video through so you don't miss out on any hacks. And if you're new to my channel, make sure to check my links below for free secrets, a $10 ebook with a ton more natural beauty remedies like this down below. Now let's get started. So jumping right in for the first home remedy, you will be needing some carrots. I like to use organic carrots, and carrots are a wonderful source of vitamin E, vitamin A, antioxidants. It is known to have vitamin B, which prevents hair loss and breakage, and is packed with vitamin B, magnesium, phosphorus, beta-carotene, and these ingredients are known to help grow and strengthen your hair. You're also going to need lemons, which are rich in vitamin C, and also improve the rate in how fast your hair grows. Also helps with the taste of what we're about to make. So for what we are about to create, we are going to need about 3 carrots and 1 lemon. I recommend buying a bag of each because you're going to want to drink this every day if you want to get really fast results. Now before I show you exactly how to make this drink, when to drink it, and all the things you need to know about it, I do want to share this multivitamin really quick. This is a dietary supplement that is known to help with hair loss or growing your hair. It is by Cara Health. Thank you to them for sponsoring this video, by the way. And this is loaded with ingredients like keratin, antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and it is scientifically proven and all natural with 0 side effects to help you grow longer, thicker hair. So if you don't want to have to make a drink every day and you just want to take a vitamin, you can invest in something like this. I will link it down below with a coupon code ANITA10 so you guys can get a wonderful discount and try this out for yourself. And it is a clinically proven formula packed with biotin, vitamin B3, vitamin B5, and vitamin B6, and has vitamins sourced from a special melon from the south of France that is known to help with hair growth and hair loss. So I'll link that down below. Now let's jump right back to this drink. The first step in creating this magical hair growth home remedy is you want to make sure you rinse the carrots you are going to use for the first portion. I like to use about 3 carrots and rinse them very well. Even if they're organic, you never know what kind of pesticides or chemicals are on your fruits or vegetables. So I like to rinse them with some warm water and then pat them dry before going on to the next step. Also, if you hear me say this, comment your favorite fruit or vegetable down below so I can see who my true subscribers are and show you so much love in the comment section. It'll be like our little secret. So once you've rinsed, washed, and patted dry the carrots, it is time to go on to the next step, which is chopping them up. I guess you don't need to do it as fine as I do, but I really like to chop them into about 1 to 2 inch sections. I find it makes them blend smoother and it just makes the process a whole lot easier. Now, I do want to make sure I emphasize that the carrots need to be raw. You do not want to use boiled carrots or cooked carrots. It's very important to keep them in their raw state so that they can hold on to all of those nutrients, vitamins, minerals you need for the hair growth. So then what I'm going to do is place them into my beautiful blender. This is such a nice blender, by the way. I'm going to link it down below. I'm obsessed with it and it works so good and it's so beautiful. But I'm going to place all 3 carrots that are chopped up into the blender and then add some spring water. You can use any type of clean water, but in the beginning I only like to add a little, about a 1/4 cup, and then you guys will see what I do after I initially blend it. I have this weird theory that it holds on to all the vitamins and minerals better and helps it blend better. So first I like to blend it with that much water. You guys will see the consistency kind of comes out like chunky, like you really finely chopped the carrots. And then I like to go in with some more water, about the same amount of water I added before, so you just double it. And then I blend it so it becomes extra smooth. It's like a smoothie consistency. If you want it more watered down, you can just add more water. But once it's done, you want to pour it into a cup before going on to the next step. So now that it's all blended, it is time to pour it into the cup and add our finishing ingredients. Now, this is so amazing for your guys' hair. It helps with blood circulation, which also helps with hair growth, stimulating the scalp and nourishing the scalp so that the hair follicles and roots can help you grow strong, healthy, shiny hair. As you guys know, carrots also have so many added benefits for your health, for your eyes, for your vision, and so many extra things, but it is amazing specifically for your hair. Then we are going to go in with half of a lemon. I like to do this at the end. I do not like to blend it together. I just like to squeeze the lemon on top. Sometimes I do it as I drink it because it really helps with the taste. I think it tastes so much better. So I like to chop up little pieces. You guys can just squeeze the whole lemon if you want, but I think this is so much cuter and tastes so much better, so I'm just going to add it on top. Now with the ingredients from both the carrots and the lemon combined, you guys are going to notice such amazing results with your hair. Some of you may experience it faster than others, but I recommend drinking this every day, minimum of about 4 times a week if you're just starting. I find that when you first start, it's best to get as many of these nutrients as possible by drinking this even every day. So it depends how fast you want the results, and I like to do this usually in the morning, but there are times, I'm not gonna lie, I drink it at night. As long as you're getting a full drink of this a day, you guys will be good, and I cannot wait to see the comments of your results. And also, don't forget, for those of you who don't want to do things like that or just want to add even more faster hair growth, I will link the Cara Health vitamins. They have them for both men and women, and when you use my coupon Anita10, you will get a nice discount to the product. So I'll have that link below, as well as my blender and everything else I used in this video. Now, if you made it this far, comment down below I finished, and give a huge thumbs up on this video so I can see who my true subscribers are. I love you guys so much, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, subscribe. I will see you guys very soon for a new video. I cannot wait to see your comments down below for those of you who try this. I love you, and I'll see you so soon for a new video. Mwah!